I guess I'm pretty glad that you're alone. White shirt, now red, my bloody nose sleeping. You're on your tippy toes, creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal. Bruises on both my knees, but you don't say thank you or please. I do what I want when I'm wanting to. My soul so cynical. So you're a tough guy, like you're really rough guy. Just can't get enough guy, just always so rough guy. I'm that bad type, make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend mad type, might seduce your dad type. I'm the bad guy. Even if you know that you don't own me, I'll let you play the role. I'll be your animal. My mommy likes to sing along with me, but she won't sing the song if she reads all the lyrics. She'll pity the man I know. You're a tough guy, like a really rough guy. Just can't get enough guy, just always so tough guy. I'm that bad type, make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend that type, might seduce your dad type. I'm the bad guy. I'm only good at being bad. Oh. I like when you get mad. I guess I'm pretty glad that you're alone. You said she's scared of me. I don't see what she sees, but maybe it's 'cause I'm wearing your cologne.